Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and change language on Duolingo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing you have to do is you have to access a particular Duolingo app on your mobile phone. Once you have done, this kind of home interface gonna appear, right? So for the thing is, you can see you do have your particular language on top. If you tap on it, you can see your course, right? If you tap on this plus, you can tap on any other course of yours, tap on this continue, and then it will simply take a test for you. Once you have done all of the tests for you, it will add the course right over there, just like you did before adding the Korean language. And then afterwards, you're gonna go to this avatar of yours below and tap on the settings on top. And now scroll down, tap on this option called manage courses, and the other course will also be listed, including this remove option. Now tap on this remove of the previous course of yours. Tap on this remove. Your previous course will be removed. Now you will only have one particular language that you want to learn. Other thing that you can make sure of is you don't have to remove it as well. When you choose your other language, you can go to your home. When you have other course, you can simply tap on that course and this will simply change and you can study about that course without actually removing the previous one as well. Those are the options and solutions for you. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.